Good evening. It's 6 p.m. and I am Panmi bringing you bright side news of the day. Lingaraj temple in Bhubaneswar that usually attracts thousands of Kavariyas on the first Monday of Holy Shravan month wears a deserted look today. The Odisha government has cancelled Bol Bum this year in the wake of COVID-19 pandemic. Odisha government today suspended all scheduled meetings of various committees of the State Assembly in view of the COVID-19 pandemic. Speaking to media persons, the Assembly Speaker said meetings of several standing committees of the House were held last month. In view of current COVID-19 situation, the state government yesterday directed to suspend all committee meetings scheduled in the coming days. Rapid antibody test in Bhubaneswar from this week. We have got a target to conduct 2,000 to 2,500 tests and micro plans are being prepared to decide in which areas the test will be conducted, said BMC Commissioner Prem Chandra Chaudhary. The Chinese army is removing tents and moving back from certain areas of the Galwan Valley. In a first sign of disengagement of troops from the area, government sources said on Monday. The Chinese army is seen removing tents and structures at patrolling point 14, the sources said. A similar movement of vehicles of the Chinese army is seen at Jojra Hot Spring area. On May 31, Leiby, a stranded young woman who had just recovered from the novel coronavirus, drove from hospital to home, a 140-kilometer long journey. Leiby says she is used to do that. There was a time when people would laugh looking at her driving her auto around town. Many times passengers would almost get into my auto but refuse when they realized I was a woman, says Leiby. It is time to recognize and mitigate airborne transmission of COVID-19, says a plea to the World Health Organization issued by 239 scientists from around the world. The scientists suggest that while measures like washing hands and maintaining social distance are important, they may not be enough to arrest the rapid spread of the disease. Amid surge in coronavirus cases and closure of religious places in Jammu and Kashmir, the government will be allowing 15 days of Amarnath Yatra with 500 yatris. The puja will be telecast live every day by the Prasar Bharati for the devotees across the country. Filmmaker Sanjay Leela Bhansali reached the Bandra police station on Monday afternoon to record his statement in connection with actor Sushant Singh Rajput's suicide case. It was reported that he had offered films to the late actor, but the two couldn't work together due to date issues. Speculation is rife that Bhansali was summoned to be questioned about his plans to cast Sushant in his 2013 release Goliyon Ki Ram Leela Ras Leela, which didn't materialize due to the actor's contract with Yashraj Films. The suspected bubonic plague case was reported on Saturday by a hospital. The local health authority announced that the warning period would continue until the end of 2020. At present, there is a risk of human plague epidemic spreading in this city. The public should improve its self-protection awareness and ability and report abnormal health conditions promptly, the local health authority said. The Legal and Legislative Committee of Kuwait's National Assembly has approved a draft expat quota bill which could result in 8 lakh Indians leaving the country. According to the committee, the draft bill is constitutional and seeks to limit the number of Indians to 15% of the population. It will now be transferred to the respective committee so that a comprehensive plan is created. Thank you for watching and please visit our website www.karuwakispeaks.com for more updates and please like and subscribe to